out of Falls Harbor Marina on Friday the 13th, July 2018. Really just a gorgeous day. Temp when I checked when we left was about 76 degrees air temperature, and my water temperature is about 61 degrees.
And look who's at the helm today, baby doll. Quartermaster Harbor, right on the other side of this boat, sailboat. Gig Harbor, straight across there. Falls Harbor, right down there. And Mount Rainier. It's gorgeous. See the little yellow buoy out there? That's the turnaround spot for container ships and big ships that come through. And there's a traffic control scheme in Puget Sound, inward and outward lanes, and places where they turn around, and that's the place where they turn. There's so many decisions and things we have to decide on. It's complicated. Not. One of the great things about doing this is we can do whatever we want to as long as there's space. So, looking at it out here today, space doesn't look like it's going to be a problem. So that's the view. And a lovely view it is.
Well, we landed in Dockton, decided to go ahead and just drop anchor here tonight. It's about 5:30. Kind of a neat place here. It's called Quartermaster Harbor, and we're at Dockton. And so, anyway, this is where we are. They do have a swimming beach and a dock right there. Looks like at least some of the kids play on the beach and stuff there. And don't know if we'll drop the dinghy or not. We might just kick back and relax and do nothing. Right?
Maybe so.
And then again, maybe not. We don't know what we'll do, right?
We need a new picture of the boat. I think it's beer 30.
Beer 30.
I think it is. It's after 5 o'clock
and
we're anchored.
We may even find lime in there for the Corona and some Jimmy Buffett.
Why are we talking?
Well, Jimmy Buffett's not in there, but we can get his tunes, by the way. It's a little dinghy ride. There's a Kia sitting at anchor.
Hopefully we didn't run out.
Okay, here we go. Row, row, row your boat.
That's my foot. Jellyfish. There's one of those little orange jellyfishes.
Yep, can't see it in the water though. Not on the camera, I don't think we'll see.
Sunset counts. So we'll see this one and go in. Let Judy beat me in a game of skip bow. Very nice.
Got out of the mooring. The guy, as it turned out, was not right on top of our anchor, which was good. And everybody was good. Had another boater out here keeping his eyes out for us as well. The cabin cruiser that was in front of us had no name on it or call letters to hail him. So just give him a blast with the air horn so he was aware of what we were doing. They finally all came back up on deck so that we could see that they knew what we were doing. And as you can see, I am taking us out of the harbor that we were in. Rick's putting some gear back away. And we'll be heading out into some better waters to where maybe we can get a little sail time in. Mount Rainier off on my port side, off the bow. It's looking mighty nice today. Rick's playing around with the nav pod up there, and I've been at the helm since we left. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes. So if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. See you.